doomsday couple appeared in an Idaho courtroom today, but in separate hearings. Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell, both accused in the murders of Vallow's 2 children and Daybell's first wife.
Yeah, Vallow has ties to Arizona and officially entered a plea today, nearly a year since first being charged. Fox 10's investigative reporter Justin Lum joins us live in the studio now with the very latest on this. Justin.
John, Christina, this is the first time that we saw Lori Vallow appear in court since March 2020, when she was extradited to Idaho from Hawaii. And before she could ever be arraigned on the murder charges filed against her last year, she was deemed incompetent. Today's hearing was a big step towards trial. Vallow chose to remain silent. Lori Vallow Daybell walked into an Idaho courtroom wearing a light blue blouse and seafoam green glasses. She appeared stoic and spoke quietly.
Before I go further with your arraignment, do you have any questions regarding what I've just explained for me or anything you want to ask your attorney?
But when Judge Stephen Boyce read the charges against her, ready to ask how she would plead,
Your Honor, she intends to remain silent. I'll ask the court to enter a not guilty pleas for her and set the matter for trial.
the court entered a not guilty plea to charges of first-degree murder, conspiracy to commit murder, criminal conspiracy, and grand theft in connection to the deaths of her children, 7-year-old J.J. Vallow, 16-year-old Tylee Ryan, and the first wife of Chad Daybell, Tammy. It's been nearly 2 years since authorities discovered J.J. and Tylee's remains on the Daybell property. Tammy was found dead in their home in October 2019, at the time ruled a natural death, but investigators grew suspicious when Lori and Chad got married just weeks later. Prosecutors say the couple used their religious beliefs, focused on the end of times, to justify the deaths. From June 2021 up until last week, Vallow was deemed incompetent and placed in an Idaho State Hospital for mental health treatment, now fit for trial.
I look at her and think, I love her and trust her.
Earlier this morning, Daybell appeared in court for a hearing related to the trial venue and jury. The defense and prosecution made their arguments on whether to have the murder trial in Boise, Idaho, or in Fremont County, where the alleged murders happened. For the grandparents of J.J. Vallow, it doesn't matter where or when.
I know justice will be served.
Lori Vallow did not waive her right to a speedy trial. There is a status conference on April 28th when the parties could decide on a trial date. For now, the co-defendants are set to be tried together in January 2023 as we wait also on a trial venue decision. Meanwhile, Vallow is indicted here in Maricopa County for conspiring with her now dead brother in the murder of her 4th husband, Charles Vallow. Find the rest of our coverage on this case on Fox.